Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to convert your terminal from white to black or dark, because when you install Kali Linux or Linux, especially Kali, it comes by default your screen is white, and you want to make it black, and most people, they enjoy it when it's black. It's like it's gonna be like dark mode, like black and white text. So this is something most people don't understand, because Kali is much of command line, and how you gonna do that command when you don't know much how to do scripting in Kali. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to do it using the interface. It's just something simple to do, so not something that much of stress. So open your terminal. You can do that, or you can click on terminal, or you can press, let me see, let me give you something small. There's something I'm trying to do here. Okay, let me see something here small. Forgive me for that. You can see our terminal is white. Yeah. Let me see if this is gonna work for you, for us. But what I'm gonna show you is easier, so because I wanna just show you something. There's some shortcuts I want to give you. Okay, in some cases you can press, to open the terminal, you can press Ctrl Alt plus T, or you can press Alt F2. Those are one of the thing I wanted you to know, if you can't get it, how to open your terminal. But it depends. Now Kali is a bit different from Ubuntu, and Ubuntu also, it has its own sometimes shortcuts. So on my computer, I've tried all of those, they didn't work, but anyway, it's fine. I have a user interface whereby I'm gonna just click, as you saw the terminal. I'm gonna just click the terminal and get it there for you. You can see this is the terminal, how to do that. So we're gonna do it in just using this. So what you do, you click here, and you can see some preferences. Then instead of light, you click dark. You can see if it comes to dark, then it means you've changed it to the dark screen. So let me see. You can see now the text is white, and the background is dark. So that's what most people want, but Kali makes it by default it's white. So let me say, we're gonna start, say, I want us to start one sudo service Apache to start. We start in Apache 2, sudo service mysql start. Okay, I have started all those services. So if you want to go back, you can go to preferences, then you select default. Default is white, also light is the same, but you wanna go dark, and you can say window tab, whatever you want to do. Change next, or new tab, you can say whatever you say last, whatever you can play on that shortcut. You can see here Shift Ctrl T, new tab. So can we try that? You're gonna see Shift Ctrl T. Let's say Shift, I'm pressing Shift Ctrl plus T. Yes, it brought a new tab. So it shows you many shortcuts here. Let's go to preference again, and we saw shortcuts that works. And also we say new tab, new window. You can click this, a new window. You can see this is a new tab. A new tab it brings here, but the new window, then it's something else. It's gonna create another terminal which is not attached to this. So once you Control Shift, then pressed something wrong. Let me go back. We're gonna get that one also. We say profile shortcut Shift Control N. Okay, we're gonna see the difference between tab and new window. Shift Control N. You can see new window, it pops up a new window. It doesn't add on here. So but the new tab, it comes here, so that's okay. So what you do, you go to preference again and say look for shortcuts. You can see how to copy Shift Control C. So for instance, we want to copy something. You can see Control C, Shift Control C. You can say okay, copy. Okay, so what you do, you see we're gonna copy that, Shift Control C. Okay, copy that, and we wanna come back here and we say paste. No, not that, it didn't work well. Let me go back here. I show you here what they say. Shortcuts, you say to copy, you say Shift Control C. Okay, so once you copy that, then to paste is Shift Control V. Okay, so let's try to see how to select first. All those we've seen, but now how do we select? Select is all disable. Select, disable. Preferences, disabled. So all these, they don't work, they are disabled. But anyway, let's try to see Shift. Let me say all like that. I'm gonna try to, okay, then when I light, then I'm gonna say Shift Control C. Okay, then I come here and I want to paste. You can see we pasted all what we copy here. So that is simple. We saw how to copy and to paste. So copying, you say Shift, you can highlight whatever you want to copy here, then you can do copy if you want like this. But if you want to use the keys, you can say Shift Control C, then you copy that. But many things, if you want to learn them how to use the command line, you can come here and read much on shortcuts. Full screen, F11, zoom, control control plus minus, you get me? So if you want to zoom in, you can see here we can press control, then we look for the plus sign on the keyboard. I'm looking for the plus sign, I'm pressing the plus. Where is the plus? Okay, that's the equals. So Shift, you can see I'm zooming in, I'm zooming in, I'm zooming in. So you can see the letters become big. So if I want to zoom out, still I do the same thing. Shift Control. Wow. That's the minus. Oh no, that's underscore. It's gonna be control, then you can see minus, minus, control and minus, minus. Then that shows you that how to do that. A lot of things are here, hidden here. So once you good with this, then you're gonna know that everything's fine. Everything is here. You can see most things are disabled here, but also I'm sure there's a script to enable them. You get me? So whatever you want to do, the zoom in, the zoom out, the copy, the paste, everything there is there in Kali Linux. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, and also comment if you want us to do one of the tutorials you really like. So we're gonna do that for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.